Hello, welcome to UGC-NET exam tips. We already discussed part 1 of paper 1 teaching concept and characteristics etc. And here we discussed about the levels of teaching, memory, understanding and reflective. Levels of teaching. Mainly there are three levels of teaching. One is memory level of teaching, the other one is understanding level of teaching, the third one is reflective level of teaching. They are ordered in a hierarchical manner. When there is a memory and understanding level of teaching became possible, the result will be the reflective level of teaching. And the first one is memory level of teaching. Hubbard is the main proponent of memory level of teaching. It is considered as the thoughtless level of teaching. No thinking process is taken place in this level of teaching, and it is the lowest level of teaching. The main process or the basic of this level of teaching is the stimulus response activity. And the teaching is nothing. Here the teaching is nothing but learning the subject matter by rote is the basic of memory level of teaching, and the role of teacher is prominent and that of the student is secondary. In this teaching, the teacher dominates more than the student, and the study material is organized and pre-planned. The teacher presents the study material in a sequential order. So memory level of teaching can be explained that memory level teaching lacks insight and psychologically it is cognitive level teaching. Here are some merits and demerits of memory level of teaching, and the first merit is useful for children at lower classes. This is because of intellectual development and they have a rote memory. And the second merit is that the teacher is more important, as we already said that teacher is dominant in this level, and the knowledge acquired in memory level teaching forms a basis for the future. And the final one is it acts as a first step for understanding and reflective levels of teaching. And the demerits are it does not contribute to the development of the students' capabilities, and students learn by rote. The pupils are kept in strict discipline and cramming is insisted. And the final one is there is no need of intelligence and lack of motivation in the memory level of teaching. The next one is understanding level of teaching, and it is proposed by Morrison, and the teacher explains the student about the relationship between principles and facts and teach them how these principles can be applied. This was the basic idea behind understanding level of teaching, and it is more higher in quality than the memory level, and it is more useful and thoughtful from the point of view of mental capabilities, and it have active role for teachers and learners. These have merits and demerits, and while we see, we can clear that these have more merits than demerits, and the only demerits are it is subject centered and no interaction between the teacher and student, and there is many merits. The main merit of memory level is that it enhances the thinking ability of the students. Final and most important one is the reflective level of teaching. Hunt is the main proponent of the reflective level of teaching, and it is a problem-centric approach of teaching. The research approach can be included in this level, and classroom environment is to be sufficiently open and independent. In this, the people occupy the primary place and teacher assumes the secondary place. Attitude, belief and involvement are evaluated in this level. One of the important merit of the reflective level of teaching, it is suitable for higher classes and it is learner centered rather than subject or teacher centered, and it is more thoughtful and useful than the other two levels. And there is two demerits that they are suitable for mentally mature students, and the study material is neither organized nor pre-planned. Subscribe, share and like. Thank you.